Urema.
Let us check at the backyard whether they are.
Urema.
Greetings, Mama.
Urema, how are you?
I'm fine, Ma. Come here. You promised to come after the farm.
I'm very sorry. I was very tired of my arrival yesterday.
Yeah, that's okay.
Urema, please, where is your mother? Where is she?
She's at the backyard tying her down.
Call her.
Mama! Mama!
Time.
What do you do? You are set.
Yes, so.
Where are other women?
They are the village we are waiting for us to join them.
Oh, yo, Urema. Go to the backyard. Tie all the products. Make sure that the cookies are well tied.
Yes, Mama. That is very important.
Mama, when will this practice stop? It is only in Ozoro Kingdom that you pay levies before you access their markets.
The gods would have blessed us if not for those maidens that possess evil powers.
But Mama, are those maidens truly evil? Who are you? And what do you want from me? Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Where is she? This is not time for questions! You turn this way, I turn this way! Now!
I beg you, do not hurt me.
Quiet! We won't hurt you! If only you comply. One moment and only be sweet in bed. The pudding is only in the eating.
Please, do not hurt me.
Quiet!
Please don't do this. Please, I beg you. Please.
Go down! Open your leg! Open your leg!
Please, please, please!
Open your leg!
Leave her alone! Warriors of Ozoro Kingdom! Leave her alone!
And who are you to question us? Have you gone mad? The gods have provided nothing for me.
Back up! In peace, or
what?
do not play with the tail of a tiger!
Please don't kill us. Please don't kill us.
You shall remain here till you die, and the vultures shall feed on your carcass. I thank the gods you have been well exposed to be feasted upon.
Forgive us. Our lungs was on fire. Couldn't find a betrayer to quench it. We have been away for months, guarding our territory. Please don't kill us.
And you think raping an innocent girl can quench your lungs?
We give you our word. We never return. Please leave us. Please, goddess, have mercy on us.
Mercy? Did I hear you say mercy? Where was mercy when that innocent maiden was begging for it? And you think raping that innocent lady will quench your lungs?
We give you our word. We never return. Please leave us. Your Highness, I suggest we go to war. With that, we'll earn more respect.
You know what you are talking about? Going
Yes,
to war?
Your Highness, let's go to war.
No, my king! How can we go to war when we have enough lands and our lands are enough to contain every one of us? And remember, the same mother begot Ukwani and Urobo.
And so?
My king, remember, we're going into war. I think we are taking our graves.
Keep quiet, Ichiaboje. Your Highness, the war I'm talking about is for the brave men and not for the coward like Ichiaboje.
Enemina, you call me a coward?
Yes, you are a coward.
Silent! Silent! It has not come to that. Sit down, let us. We are here to deliberate how to make our kingdom to move forward. The peace will come into our community. You are here making noise like a dog. Why should you do that?
We should not allow salt to overcome our soup because of the sweetness.
My Highness, Mazoboje, you are right, and that is exactly what I want.
Your Highness!
Iberi, what is that again? What is chasing you? Why are you running like a mad dog or a rabbit that have forgotten the hole?
What happened?
Iberi, speak! What is chasing you? Iberi, speak on. Speak on, Iberi. What is your problem?
Your Highness, my eyes have seen my ears.
Your eyes have seen your ears?
That's my king.
What happened?
My Highness, it is confirmed that we are lying in the midst
God!
of witches, spirits and demons.
You are not still making any sense.
Make a statement, Iberi.
Your Highness, I saw a maiden from our kingdom using her evil power in a right way.
What? Iberi? Are you telling me that such spirit is existing in my kingdom? Eh? Iberi, let's go there now. No need of wasting time. Let us go to that place. Yes. Hey, let us go to yes. Let's go. Let us go. Iberi, let us go there. You will see the truth today. Iberi, when you started behaving like an animal? Look at you. Eh? Look at you. To deceive this our community. Let's go.
No, I'm just from my farm.
Mama, let me.
Oh no, I see my house here now.
Mama. What does Kumi your daughter?
It's fine.
Mama.
Greet your mom.
They still talk.
I'm all ears.
It's about me.
Kume, my daughter.
Mama.
What happened to my daughter?
Mama, nothing.
What happened to my daughter, Kumi?
Nothing. Mama.
Tell me what happened to my daughter?
Mama, I said nothing. Just wait. Mama.
Then what is it?
It's just that.
Did I hear you?
Gods of our land, oh, who have I offended? My daughter. Hey! 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 Kume! Kume! Is this Igbo?
Mama, yes? Hey. Mama, why are you shouting my name now?
Why am I shouting your name? Oh? Kume.
Mama.
How dare you?
Mama, what have I done now?
How dare you, Kume?
Mama.
Hey! Kume.
Mama. Mama.
Tell me the truth.
Mama, how
tell me the truth now!
I told you about it. How do you know?
Hey! Kume.
Mama.
Hey! So it's true. Kume, how dare you? How do you hide this from me, your mother? How do you hide it from me, your mother? Kume! Do you know the implications? Do you know we can ban you from this kingdom? If Igbo hears about that. Eh? You don't know. You know. Hey.
Mama, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. You are my only daughter. And you are telling me you are sorry. Kume. Me, your mother. Hey. Oh, like that thing. Kume!
Mama!
Hey!
Mama, please, I'm sorry!
Kume!
Mama, please!
Don't will like a tip on your spirit, yeah?
I'm not coming to your place now.
My house? Yes. Any message from the king?
The king demands to come and see him now.
Hope there is no problem.
He did not reveal if there is a problem or not.
Okay, let's go.
Sons of Ozoro, greetings.
Greetings to you. The maidens and the women of Urobo Kingdom. Here are your homage to the king. Is that all? You can pass.
No.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greeting, my boss.
You sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. I know that you will find it difficult to visit me. That is why I sent my guys to come and fetch you.
Like you said, Your Highness, it's indeed a hard nut to crack.
I know. What is your decision?
I was still pondering over it when I met your guard.
What is your idea?
My decision, Your Highness. My decision still remains no.
What? Why?
The gods forbids me to be in a haste to dethrone my brother. Neither will I sit back and watch my only brother languish.
If you so mean this word, you have said, do what is needed to be done.
Your Highness, I have an idea.
So what is an idea?
Must we always pay levies to access Ozoro market? What was all this now?
I don't understand.
What is it I don't understand?
Tell her.
Okay, listen. During our Edo market days, strangers from far and wide do come to our market to buy things. Okay, okay now, in Ozoro land, the reverse is the case. Why is this so? And you see that you don't understand. No.
Kume, I think you are right. We need to do something about this.
You maidens are right.
But it's been their history and there's nothing we can do to stop it. Let's go to the market. Let's go.
You lazy fisherman! Where are you running to?
And how dare you call us lazy?
Are you not lazy? If you are not lazy, then what are you? Are you not supposed to be in the river fishing?
We are the fishermen and not you. So we know when to be there or not. Besides, when have you become a fisherman? A fisherman to tell us if you are lazy or not.
Oh my God! And you, I know where you are going to. You are going to some restaurant to taste some hot drink.
Warriors of our great kingdom, it will be wise if you face what you are here for, rather than playing what does not concern you.
And what does that supposed to mean?
It means we have gossipers as our warriors in this land. Yes.
How dare you insult us? No.
Omaka, don't be afraid. Yes. Do you think we are afraid?
It's no time to fight our brothers. It's time to stay and collect our levies for our king. Yes. You are welcome. Yeah, Igbo, Your Highness. Yes. Your Highness.
Yes.
Your Highness, since your reign, we have experienced bountiful harvest in our kingdom.
Yes.
I pray it continue this way.
It will continue. In the hand of our gods.
Yes.
Soon, harvest shall cease, and famine shall be the order of the day in this kingdom.
May the gods forbid. The eyes of the gods. This one you visited my palace uninvited. I hope all is well.
Calamity! Calamity, your highness.
How dare you talk of calamity when we observe that our gods are very happy with us?
Yes!
Eh?
Mana o to wanti anawa. Ngu mvindia. Ngu mvindia. Ngu mvindia. Ngu toyamasi. Your highness, maidens possessing strange powers are born on daily basis.
In this our kingdom? No. Then what shall we do?
Ogumama masiniga. Ogumama masio. Ogumama masiniga. Ogumama masio. Your highness, we shall wipe them off.
Oh, may our gods forbid this.
Yes.
I will never shed blood or split blood in this my reign.
Yes. Your highness, you shall obey the orders from the gods of this kingdom. Mind you that when fire burns, ashes do not run away, but stays back to share its testimonies.
Leave my palace now. I said, leave my palace now.
Your
leave
highness.
my palace now. Leave my palace. I said, leave my palace now.
Your highness.
Now, leave my palace.
The gods have spoken.
What are you doing here, my God? Take care of that one. Get him out.
You go.
Come on, my friend, say, "Bani better dog." This side. Woga.
Okay.
You go need to do something. You go, what is going on?
Chief priest.
You need to do something. Igwe, there's the guards. Your Highness. Igwe, what is going on? Do something. Igwe, do something. You need to do something.
Wait, I'm coming.
Igwe, you need to do something. Igwe, do something.
I'm coming. I said I'm coming.
Igwe.
Yes, sir. I'm not comfortable with this decree of our kingdom. My dear, we have so many beautiful maidens in this our kingdom. Our king's supposed to give them out to the men of Ozoro kingdom for marriage.
Exactly. And the worst aspect of this is that our maidens are now possessing these strange powers instead of being given out to their spouses.
Strange powers indeed. And these powers is even better than us.
I think we have to leave here now. Because me, I'm afraid of this kingdom. I'm afraid.
Mother.
Greetings, mother.
My name is Opanko from Igbo Kingdom. I came in respect of your beautiful daughter here.
My daughter?
I brought myself.
My daughter?
Yes.
What about her? What happened? Is there anything the matter?
No problem.
came here because I like her and I want to marry her.
You like her?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, young man. We don't have anything in common except trading.
Yes, ma'am. I don't mean anything bad. That is why I come.
Asking is a taboo. Our people to marry from your kingdom. Please leave. Leave with your friend, please.
She said you should go now. She said you should go.
Please, come back, please. You say your name is what? Obanko. So Obanko, please, get out from this place. Look at him. Don't give your Obanko. Something one cannot see.
But that was too harsh.
Uremma! Mama!
So you wait for me to call you 3 times before you answer?
Sorry, ma.
Take this mango and watch for your father.
Mama, Nkemkwan.
Get out from this place!
Go and wash mango for me, or sing Nkemkwan. You know you have not given me another child. This girl is overgrowing. Very soon now, somebody will come and marry her off. It will be just 2 of us.
I will give you another child. Let's wait for God's time.
Okay.
My husband, you need to see what happened at the market today.
What happened?
Immediately we arrived, the guard came to announce to us that the king is coming to the market to buy and sell.
How can the king come to the market to buy and sell? What happens to all his maidens?
The next we saw, he came with his product, dropped it right on our feet, and said we should take it. There is a gift from his heart.
Hey, yeah, he must be a nice person, oh.
The next, he break the secret egg.
Secret?
Yes.
What secret egg?
That he's looking for a maiden to marry.
In our land? Then what did you people say to him?
We told him the truth, that it is a taboo for us to intermarry.
That is true. Then what did he do?
Don't you know, he left in shame as a gentleman.
That man must be a joker. How can he come to talk about marriage when he surely know that we two cannot marry?
Maybe he's looking for a means to stop our village from coming to their market. But I thank God that he did say something like that.
He's a very stupid man.
The gods have blessed them now. So what do you expect? He can say anything he wants.
The God will bless us.
He said...
Highness, I suggest we send delegates to them.
Are you sure it will work? You know that Urobo people are the most stubborn set of people.
Yes, Your Highness. That the first doesn't work out does not mean the second will go the same way.
So, how can we send the delegates?
Let's accompany them with orders.
What if our plan failed?
Then we'll keep on planning, because the a fly that perches on the scrotum should be killed with caution.
Okay, brother. That is wise saying.
Your Highness, I have to be on my way.
Okay, my regards to your wife and your son.
Young men, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
People of Ozoro Kingdom, what brought you people to my kingdom?
Your Highness, may you live long. Our king asked that you should revoke the decisions made by the kings before you to enable us intermarry.
People of Ozone Kingdom, listen to me. That trade relationship is enough. Yes.
Your Highness, but the maidens from Urobo Kingdom makes our heart to quake.
Listen to me, young man, and listen to me attentively. I, the Igbo or King Otabiriono, will not allow my maidens to marry to that your evil kingdom. Do you understand me?
But, Your Highness, I don't see anything wrong in the two kingdoms trying to intermarry.
Listen to me. Go and tell that you are king. If you people dare to try me, I, the crocodile, will be in front, and I am going to finish you people. Go and tell you are king.
But, Your Highness, there is nothing wrong in the two kingdoms trying to intermarry.
Will you shut up your mouth? You should leave now.
But Your Highness.
I said leave. I said you people should leave.
Thank you, Your
What are you waiting for? Leave! Look at these idiots with flat rash.
Say leave, my friend. You want to fight?
Look at this wretched people. You see, this man is a goat. Yes. Evil man. Will you get up? Will you shut up your mouth? Yes. And leave this palace too.
You will say you should leave.
Leave the palace.
Leave with them.
I'm not sure to tell myself the truth. I am confused.
Greetings, Your Highness.
The eyes of our gods. I don't expect you to my palace this afternoon. I hope all is well.
Your Majesty, they say toad does not run in the daytime.
Have you forgotten that any dog that is pursuing, what do they call it, lizard, it hit the head on the wall.
Your Highness, I have come to appeal and to remind you that I am not happy about these strange powers our maidens are possessing on daily basis.
You see, you are the high gods of the land. All this is, you're supposed to tell me this. I've been calling you for a long time. You have been dodging me. Now things has come to worst. But now you cannot see any longer. What do you want me to do?
Your Highness, this trade relationship we have with the people of Urobo,
stop that!
We have to extend.
I said stop it! Stop that! Stop that! I cannot, because of you, then I disappoint my assistants. I can never do that. This is the law before my kingship. So I will follow the law, the tradition. You understand me? And the culture.
Your Highness,
I believe in custom.
Remember that we must do something about it, and very fast.
What is that?
We must stop them. The gods are angry.
And who are you in the kingdom?
Your Highness, I must tell you.
Please bring down that you are bloody walking stick, because it is no longer working. If that is working, you know all these things. You see, for you coming now to come and tell me, my king, you see, we have to do something. It's nonsense. Just see again.
I want you to know that rain falls, provoking thunder and lightning, burning down gigantic trees, oceans, hills and valleys, but hardly will it shake man.
Listen to me. I don't know what to call you. In Igbo land, we call somebody like you Oko. You see, there's no type of rain that will fall, the land will not accommodate. leave my palace now.
Then, this same path your father strode on and never came back alive.
Leave my palace.
Be careful, Your Highness. Your Highness, the venom of viper has nothing to do with the back of tortoise. And
I did not see anything. Look at this. The eyes of the gods cannot even see. Now he's trying to come. You see, my king. It's this time we have to go.
I knew it. Thank the gods of our land that you people came back alive.
Your Highness, we really love you. Your Highness, the OV of Urobo Kingdom said that the only relationship he prefers is the trade relationship and that he is happy with it.
But Your Highness, why not try a maiden from our own kingdom instead of disturbing a sleeping crocodile? Your Highness!
No, I can't try by error. I need a maiden who is smart as Urobo. And you know you can't find it in our kingdom.
But Your Highness, you never can tell. You can still find it in our own kingdom.
Your Highness, Ebieti had to withdraw because his wife gave birth and he has to be with his wife. That is why he didn't make it back with us. Your Highness. I have an idea.
No, give your idea. The ones that you have bring have never given me a good result.
But Your Highness, this one came as a result of our encounter with the OV of Urobo Kingdom.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, let me hear it.
Remember, the king told us that the only thing that brings us together is a trade relationship, which is to their own benefit.
Yes, but what has it got to do to me getting married to their maidens to give me a male child?
Your Highness, we have the market, they have the produce. And remember, we also have the produce they have.
Yes, you are right, my brother.
Though our answer is not as good as theirs. Think, my king, think.
You needed to see how we were chased out like flies by the warriors of your kingdom.
You mean whatever we got from the farm come back exactly the way you people left?
Yes, my husband. We were so ashamed. We were just driven out at the boundary.
King Okueme, what are you up to? I hope the ground can carry the floor that you are calling on when it started raining.
My husband, what do we do? I'm confused. I don't understand what is happening. For how long are we going to continue like this? For how long? The king should better go and make peace with that man.
Been confirmed that your king rejected our request. And it get me confused.
Obim, I'm worried as well. I'm worried that my king said over his dead body, will he allow his maidens to be married to your people?
I think I have a plan.
What's plan?
The best for us to do now is just to run away.
Eh? Run away?
Yeah, that's the best thing for us to do now.
To where?
To anywhere.
Anywhere? Obim, please. How can you say it like this? He's a sort of a coward!
Yes. If that will make me a coward, I'll do it for the woman I love.
Obi, I love you.
I love you too.
Obi, I love you. My king, you look worried. What troubles your heart?
The hunter has gone back to the bush. Only the gods of our land knows what she will come back with.
Hunter? She? When did the woman started hunting this our kingdom? Wait, my husband. How else am I supposed to explain to you that you should not worry about what I'm carrying? Just believe I'll give you a male child.
Quiet, Suma. You have said this several times. All you can give me is female child. I need the hair of the throne. Hair of the throne, woman.
And male child, you shall get, my king.
Leave my side.
God of my ancestors, please bless me with a male child so that I can be proud to be his wife again.
What is it? Eh? What is it?
It's about what the king told Lolo today.
How much did the king tell you?
Why are you doing as if you don't know?
I don't know. Guam, what is it?
It's about the heir to the throne.
But really, the king overreacted. It's the gods that give children, not men.
The gods also knows that we need an heir to the throne.
Hey, Uloma, you're just a maid in this palace. What concerns you with things concerning the throne? Uloma, you just want us. Go back to your duties, Jare. Gossiper.
Maybe I should just carry myself.
My Highness, Your Highness, Your Highness, Your Highness, the baby needs attention. Your Highness.
I've heard you. Just leave me alone.
Is it not the voice of baby that I'm hearing?
Yes, Your Highness.
Then where is the queen?
That is the reason why I went to call her, but she seems to be in a sad mood. Your Highness.
What is the matter? Where is she now?
At the backyard, Your Highness.
Leave my presence. My queen, why are you here all alone?
I wish to be left alone.
You're supposed to be in your chamber. The baby is crying.
Do you care? I want to be careless as you do, since female children are not counted among the gifts from the gods.
I never said so.
Then why have you descended so low by going to the market square in search of a maiden to marry? You could have gone to the girl's family and asked her hand in marriage if you desire her so much.
I never said so. I love you.
Say that to the fishes in the river. I've heard all that happened at the market square.
I choose to die, not having a male child. But my brother refused to succeed me when I am gone.
He did?
Yes, he asked me to get a second wife instead.
Greetings, Papa.
How you doing?
I'm fine, Papa.
But there is something that has been bothering me that I would want us to talk about.
What is it? I hope market went well as usual.
Yes, Papa. But there are things I do observe on every market day which I don't seem to be comfortable with.
Which is?
Papa, first of all, the levies we pay at the boundary, and secondly, the Osoro men seems to be friendly, while their women are not, especially those involved in the trade. Why is this so?
My daughter, first of all, I will answer your first question. The Osoro market is considered the largest market around, which everybody plays on it. And due to the situation they found themselves, water covering half of their land, so they collect levy to sustain themselves.
Then secondly,
nobody would like to compete with a rival when it comes to the high products. You know, the growth of our land has favored us. We have a good land that brings up good crops. And our women is considered the most beautiful women in our kingdom and the kingdom far away.
Wow, Papa, are you saying they are just angry out of mere jealousy?
Exactly my point.
Oh, well, I see where this whole thing is coming from now. Hey.
I hope you understand now.
Yes, I'm not clear.
That is why I say you are a very good daughter of mine. This question you ask now, we asked the same question when we are young. Our fathers explained things like this to us. So, what do? You trade on their land to get good money. They are looking for our women because we have good women and good products.
Okay, just that I was confused, that's why I asked. And thank God you cleared
Greetings, Her Royal Majesty.
Greetings to you, my husband.
My queen, why are you here?
Waiting for my room. Lagos.
My queen, I hope I am safe.
Yes, Lord. I understand you translated the idea that God will king food in the presence of his followers.
Your Highness, Your Majesty, I'm sorry, but...
It's okay. Why do you reject the offer to succeed my husband, your brother, after
to be honest, I have no eye for the throne. All I ever wanted is his happiness.
So, you prefer a total stranger to succeed the throne instead of you?
Your Majesty,
It's okay. You don't love your brother as you claim. And if this ever happens, I will never, ever forgive you. Guards!
They think they are wise. Yes.
Yes. Yes. They shouldn't play with our intelligence.
They said that we shouldn't go over with them. Go.
Young man, eh? What is the problem? What is in the matter?
Your Highness, she was caught going against the law of the land.
Going against the law of the land. Young medium, do you hear what he's saying?
Your Highness, I was attacked by a tiger.
Tiger?
I have to use what I have to protect myself. Your Highness.
So it means that what they are saying is truth. The guards, take her and lock her up inside that guard room. Give her very nice food. Then we have to think what we are going to do. Take her.
Your Highness, please! Your Highness, please!
Come on!
Your Highness, please! Your Highness, please!
Your Highness!
Please! Your Highness!
You have made a good decision. Yes. We will give her as a gift for the second wife.
No! Your Highness!
Why no?
Your Highness!
Master Bojo, shut up your mouth! Yes. Igwe, you have made the right decision.
Yes, sir.
You must be mad.
That is it. You people can go.
Igwe. You must be mad.
My friend, go home. Ask your woman to cook okra soup for you.
Your Highness, people of Ozoro Kingdom,
Welcome.
we have come to know why you refused our women to gain entrance into your kingdom, to treat as usual. We also want to know, a law that has been made for ages remain irrevocable. Oh, is it by the maidens?
May Amadio has struck you dead.
Bam.
You people should keep your maidens. We will keep our produce.
Exactly.
Your Highness, it has not come to that. There are many ways to kill a rat.
Yes, Your Highness, people of Ozoro Kingdom, I think we can settle this matter amicably without conflict.
Yes! Is your king ready to revoke the decree?
Yes. Answer him. Your Highness, it's what we don't know, but I think we can go back and tell him about your grievances.
Very well then.
If he refuses that we marry from your kingdom, we will keep our produce. Our own decree will be irreversible. Go and tell him that.
Yes.
Uremma.
Papa,
What are you doing standing outside? Where is your mother?
Papa, she's not yet back from the age grade meeting, no. How was the meeting with Igwe? How did it go?
My daughter, there is a big problem.
But what happened?
A maiden was caught using her power today.
How did Igwe got to know about it?
My daughter, she said she was attacked by a tiger. She trying to defend herself. A guard saw her and brought her to the palace.
Papa, but that's not fair. I don't see anything wrong with a maiden defending herself with her powers. Papa? Okay, would it have been good if she had allowed that tiger to devour her? Papa?
My daughter, that is the law of the land. That no one should be caught practicing sorcery. And I suspect you have not used any form of your power. Try to keep away from danger than I warrant you using it.
Oh, Papa.
Am I clear?
Yes, Papa. Let me go and get your food before you go inside.
Go and get me a chair first.
It seems one is this to be done.
I'm confused. I heard that our maidens use their power to save people. How come this same power is dark evil?
My husband, it is evil. For no child is born with supernatural power, except that child has been destined to become Obo. And that power comes when that child assumes the position.
That is true. But how come this power protects?
I have made it clear enough for you to understand. You should know all these things without me telling you.
But let me ask you, if our only child possesses this power,
I will disown that child at once. May the gods forbid I have such child.
you mean you will expose your own blood? I mean your only child?
Of course. I don't want to die by my seed. Don't even think about it.
Greetings, Papa.
My daughter, how was farm today?
It was fine.
See, I would like us to discuss about that our little secret.
What about it?
My daughter, please, no matter what, I will not like you to show that your power in the presence of people. No matter what.
Papa, I thought we already settled that at the farm, eh?
Yes, but not with this kind of restriction that is strongly behind it.
What restrictions are you talking about?
Talking about your mother.
My mother?
Yes, do not let her know about it.
Why? Isn't she my mother?
She is your mother. But you know, you women, when you tell her something today, tomorrow the whole neighboring village will hear about it. So, let's keep it as a secret.
Okay, Papa. You say so.
I'll just keep it like that.
Okay, let me go inside and eat.
I'll go ahead. Mother should know about it. That will be another issue. I know she will not be serious.
Urema. Yes? Did your father tell you about the intermarriage relationship between our kingdom and Ozoro kingdom?
Yes, but I'm solidly behind our king. How can we marry into that evil kingdom? Besides, history forbids it.
Urema, there's nothing evil about those people. Don't you know that if we are allowed to marry them, we'll have free access to their market without paying levies?
What access? Let me tell you, it is better we don't pay levies than for us to marry into that evil kingdom. I don't know the difference between their left and right.
Urema, like I said earlier, there's nothing wrong with them. And besides, their men are very handsome. You know, especially that chief warrior.
Call me!
Yes.
You're lost after that man already?
I'm not lost after. I'm just talking about it.
Excuse me, Jerry. Now you follow me.
Rema, wait now. That's not what I meant now. Rema.
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, you sent for us.
I need both of you to go Urubu Kingdom and get me a smart maiden there.
Your Highness, if that is all you want, both of us will do it perfectly well.
Your Highness, consider the job well done.
You may leave now.
Thank you, Your Highness.
It's now that we can go to the war.
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes.
We should go to war.
Yes, Your Highness. You are right. But going to war, I don't think is the best solution.
It is. If going into war is not the best solution, then what is it?
No, my king. I think Ishiro Novo is right.
No!
Listen to me. Chionovo is one of the people that went to the journey after every other thing. Where is the solution? But. You see? Say but. There is no solution. Every other thing. I should suggest that we have to go to that road. Yes.
Go inside the house. Get me salt, pepper and other ingredients.
Mama, there's no more salt in this house, and all the ingredients has been exhausted.
And you didn't tell me. Hi. What do I do now? Okay. Go to Jimen's house. Take 4 tubers of yam. Give it to them and they will give you other ingredients. Okay, please, be fast about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The father will soon be back and the food is not ready.
Opako. Urema.
How are you?
I'm fine. Where is Mama and Tome?
Mama!
Ma!
Onye kwa?
Urema.
Onye? Urema.
Greetings, Mama.
My daughter.
Come.
How are you?
Fine, Mom. My mother said I should give you these yams in exchange for salt, in exchange for yam.
Hi. My daughter. Oh. How? Eh? We don't have cooking materials again. Our ingredients, I mean. Eh? All our own is finished. Hi. Oh, what am I going to do?
Mama, it's okay. Let me check Tega's compound.
Urema, they don't have either. Not quite long, I just arrived from there.
Mama, you can see that our effects in the bag is not in your command. Please tell your mother that a situation of things. When you see about this, you go. Hey. One will greet your mother for me.
People will die of hunger.
Hey, I'm not going to get me because when you get to the go, I have a yoga go there. What would ever be? I go get one mother. Hey, now you can't attack no one.
Mama,
you are back. Where are the things I had to get for you?
Mama, I believe nobody has ingredients in this village again. Because I've gone virtually everywhere, all to no avail.
Hey, this king has crippled us. What shall I do now?
I don't know.
I'm confused. I think I'll prepare this food like this. I will explain to your father when he comes back. I believe he will understand.
Mama, me, I cannot eat food and they don't put salt though,
Please, you have to manage it. I will not kill myself. I'm not going to manage it. We can manage it. You manage it like that, please. Hey! I'm not going to be the jinkano. I'm going to get mad. Oh!
What is happening? I cannot understand what is happening to you.
Igwe!
My friend Rimena, how are you? I'm okay. Yeah, you are welcome. You are welcome. Guard, go and get him a seat. Bring one seat for him.
Hey, this one you are alone this side.
No. Emma and Igbo, so you can tell you take it easy. Hey, my friend, you can leave now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes. My friend, Darimana, I am confused. I must surely tell you the truth.
I don't know. I understand how you feel. I know it's not an easy decision. I understand.
Yes, I thank the gods that you understand. What do I do?
Igwe, I think you should soften your heart a bit. Yes, Igwe. I think you should let go of some old traditions.
You know, as the king of a kingdom, you have to observe the tradition, the culture and the tradition of the people. I just can't do it.
Igwe, I'm not saying you should go back on your words, but I have an idea that could help us in this situation.
Which way?
Why can't we marry off those supposed evil maidens out to Ozone?
You are there. That's a good suggestion. That's a good suggestion. Now I am going to send some elders to go and inform them so that we can be able to start our marriage, intermarriage, then, but there is one thing there. They will not choose the medians by themselves. It's our duty to do that for them.
Instead of killing or banishing them, we just marry them off.
Since I know you, this is the only good idea I've seen in you. Igwe. Because sometimes you behave like you are stupid.
Igwe.
Today, I can see a good thing in you.
Igwe, it's not my fault though.
I know. It's early morning, this native hut. Okay. Because the daughter is a wizard. So when you meet them, we kill all those people. It's nice. Yes, that is why. Yeah, Miss is here. I don't know that you are intelligent like your own grandfather.
I'm picking up from my father.
Yes. Okay, you see what is here is that but there is something important. You should not let those also men to know that our parents it is that.
Anybody that will find guilty telling them, we send to them. If you say something, follow them.
My people of I am happy to announce to you that today one of our maidens are going to, where they are going to be, she's going to be married.
Yes.
According to the tradition.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the time that we're supposed to know one thing or the other.
But Your Highness, the people of Urobo Kingdom, Your Highness, I still don't understand why you should give out our maiden to people of Ozoro for marriage. I think those people are wicked. Am I communicating?
Shut up your mouth. Not just shut up, but a big shut up.
Shut up!
Thank you.
Please, Your Highness, don't do this to our sister. You know we are afraid of the people of Ozoro Kingdom. If she leaves, we all will be empty, Your Highness.
You should understand, I am not the law. The law is for the land.
Yes,
Igwe. Yes, that's the law of the land. And I cannot change it. You're supposed to know that I cannot change it.
But you are the king, the law. You should spare the life of our sister.
You see, I am the type of king that don't harbor evil things. What you people have to do now is to accompany the elders, so that the maiden will go to where they are doing their I think, marriage ceremony today.
Yes,
Igbo. Yes.
See,
So
our daughters.
I must commend all your efforts in this palace. The Igbo, the Lolo, the maidens and the girls. We're trying as much as possible to maintain peace and orderliness. May the gods of our land and our ancestors continue to bless you. And to the Queen, you are a true definition of motherhood. Keep the good work up.
Ah!
My queen.
Ah!
My queen. My queen. My queen.
Ah! Midwife. Sorry, it's okay. Ah! Midwife. Midwife! My husband, worry not, for she shall come down safely. How is the queen? Has she put to bed?
Not yet, my queen. Still on it.
Then why are you here?
To ask for permission to leave for my queen. The midwife sent me on an errand.
No need, you can come back. Your Highness, the queen has just delivered.
What is the sex of the baby?
A bouncing baby boy.
What is the matter?
Are you okay? Sorry. 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 Sorry, my queen. Sorry. 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 Sorry.
Adam, go inside.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness, congratulations. Your wife just put birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Don't joke with me.
I'm not joking, Your Highness. How can I joke with what I know that is important to you?
You mean our kingdom now have an heir of the throne?
Yes, Your Highness.
Ah, now thanks be to God.
Yes! Boy!
This is what they are doing for me. I don't understand you. Anytime you want to gossip, you will begin to do. My ears are open to this thing. I don't have anything much to say. It's just that I remember something. What's the name of this guy? Which guy? The one that has strange power. Bam! My sister, ever since she got married to the man of the Igbo kingdom, she has been living fine and good, happily. Things has been going well for her. My sister, you just wish I'm her. Hey, I wish I'm her. Wishing. If I have those strange power, I swear, I'm going to use it to control all the whole men in this community. Trust your friend.
I trust you.
No, we greet you.
Welcome. So you two don't have anything reasonable to do with your lives than gossiping here. You should be at the farm, helping your parents. Stupid children.
I'm sorry, ma.
Gossipers.
Sorry, ma.